the first things that we do before we hit the dock, and I think it's very important. We didn't do it before, we learned the hard way, but we kind of position ourselves before the dock. We kind of park somewhere to set up the boat. Setting up the boat requires doing simple things like, for us, opening up our shade. We can turn on the battery, start the air blower. I close everything, close all the plugs, you know, and then we pack everything in the boat, and then they get in the boat, and then I'll drive down, and then we begin the whole process of putting the boat in the water.
Look, I just got the letter on Friday, and I didn't know how to tell you.
I'm really happy for you. Let's go have some fun.
So, I totally forgot, because I was so focused on filming, to actually close the valves right there, circled in red, right? And so we literally went onto the lake with those being open. So if you want to watch what happened and how we reacted and responded, click that video right there. Man, when you have a jet boat, this is probably one of the most irritating things to do, is to set this bad boy in here and lock it. Honestly, I never really get it the first try. And it looks like it's gonna be like that again today.
So I take care of the stuff on the boat, which requires just setting up like what he said in the beginning. And I'm gonna go ahead and start by turning on the battery. And then we don't actually start it up, but we get it in.
Could use the pump, I guess.
And then go ahead and make sure this is locked in over here.
Look.
Now the rest of the crew's getting on the boat.
To the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
You know what we're supposed to do?
Wait for it.
Get your best bud.
And waiting for Popeyes. Hey,
He
baby.
was sleeping. You alright?
Oh, he was tired. What is the first thing we do? What do we do when we get on the boat?
Put my shoes away.
Oh, put your shoes away. Okay, yes. Good job.
Please.
We can go ahead and turn this,
Yeah,
and then our guy will go on.
okay, you're good. Go ahead. Do we need this?
And then we turn it on.
Do we need this? Okay. Keely, do you like
Blow it
this?
on.
I already got your slippers. Oh. It's fun. Careful.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Where are we going?
To the lake. Well, we're right here. We're going to the water. The water. Whoa, so fun. Mommy. I want. Whoa. Look out.
This is his favorite part.
She's absolutely right. This by far is the hardest part of reversing your trailer, reversing your boat into the lake. Usually the docks can be very crowded, people are waiting, and obviously if it's crowded, it's more tight. You know, you gotta maneuver around people. So at the end of the day, you really gotta be a G here. So I recommend you practice. You know, luckily for me, I have my boy Nisa, and I would do a lot of practicing with him. And obviously today, as you can see, it's not that crowded. So today's actually a good day. We got one person trying to dock. Usually all 4 lanes are taken at this area, and there's people in line and people moving out and people crossing. So, you know, you just got to practice. And I'm telling you right now, I got a big truck. It's a 2500 HT AT4 diesel. So at the end of the day, this boat, this SX Yamaha, is a little bit light. It's only 19 in length. So the lighter things are, the harder it is to reverse. The heavier things are, the easier you will have reversing. Not trying to say go get the bigger boat, but go get the bigger boat.
Put this in the cabinet.
I'm gonna start it up. Start it up. What?
It's cold, bruh. It's cold, bruh. So now that the boat is in, we got the boat to where it can float. I unclip this. Lori starts the boat, and then she'll dock it, and then I'll jump it. You filming this? I gotta edit forever now. You got this very.
What?
The current is strong. Come on, wasting time. We're holding up people at the dock, you know. You know. That's it. She in the water. Now I gotta go park the truck. So the thing is, today's windy, so she's gonna have a hard time docking this. So I'm probably gonna have to just jump for her. What are you doing? Bringing the ass, keep turning the current is, it's windy. Because the current, take it off with no weight. Because it's you take it off with no weight. Maybe I can make the jump. All mad at you. He doesn't even want. He just looked at me. Didn't want to wave. Yeah. So some people, they get mad if you take a while or if they have to wait to dock. But it is what it is, man. I recommend you just be patient. You learn how to do it how you guys learn how to do it, and don't let nobody rush you, because you don't want to rush and then make a mistake that's gonna cost you, or that could actually like hurt somebody. You know what I'm saying? So. Oh my gosh.
And then you would come in here, do the same thing.
I never ever actually got this right before. Mom and Achilles usually do this. So. Oh, wait, I got it. Yes.
we're gonna go ahead and pull our canopy back.
Good.
Hooked up. Good. Sit down. He's gonna pull us out. So, a lot of do's and don'ts. Comment below how we could better strategize or plan this. What plans do you guys have when you are getting into your boats and when you're getting out on the water? And then when you're exiting, like, do you guys have a template that you all follow, or are you kind of just a little all over the place like we are sometimes? We're getting there. We're getting there. We'll be there.